So the real issue here is that I think when we look at what the enterprises are actually doing with AI right now is very different than what I think the perception was back in 2022, 2023, whenever we started to turn to, generative AI system. Most of the enterprises out there, in looking at the particular use cases that are going to be more valuable to them, they're deploying small language models, like I mentioned earlier. And those things are taking over. And so the systems I'm building now, the systems I'm teaching people to build right now, are built around tactical uses for AI, which is typically going to be a small language model. And so, we're seeing systems out there, they're going to be perfectly fine with leveraging less expensive processors. Again, either older versions of the GPUs or perhaps even CPUs in many instances. So, and I'm seeing CPUs making a comeback out there as well. CPUs, especially newer models with advanced, capabilities for LLM inference, and we're starting to see those starting to emerge, are starting to appear in the marketplace, where we have these revved up CPUs that may be purpose-built for inference or purpose-built for training utilization or purpose-built for a particular AI use case. Those are there. And those are an option now. So again, we have alternatives other than going to, traditional CPUs, which may not have everything we're looking for, do the expensive GPUs, which are going to have everything we're looking for, but are very costly. We may have a fallback position to CPUs that are going to be purpose-built to process AI systems. And I think that's an option out there as well. And I think many of the organizations who are figuring out how to size these things up and looking at the target architecture for these AI systems, that should be on the radar screen.